channel. So guys, as we have covered my previous sessions, so we have covered the Java installation guide, configuring how Java path in system environment variables, how to set the path in a Java path in our system environment variable. So now today we will cover today we will going to learn the Eclipse installation guide. So in which we will learn about how the Eclipse, where we can download Eclipse, and which version of the Eclipse we can download, what is Eclipse, and how we can use the Eclipse for the Java programming language, right? So simply first we need to open the browser and go to the Eclipse download URL. So first you have to search Eclipse download. Just type Eclipse download and you will see the number of results by search by Google, and just simply click on Eclipse download. So here it will take you to the Eclipse download page, and here there is a download link over here. So simply just click on over there. So once you click on it, it will ask you the download page. Here you can click on so after it will directly start downloading the Eclipse, right? So here I am going to cancel these things because I already installed Eclipse at my system, right? So before we start to the Eclipse and everything, right, so we should learn what is a Eclipse, I think. So you might be knowing that Eclipse is one of the editor of the Java, where you can create the scripts and where you can execute your script. So this is the simply Eclipse is an editor, right? There are lots of market having lots of editors, but this one is really most of the testers or maybe QA environment the testing organizations who are using this Eclipse IDE as a editor for the JavaScript. So as we know that Java is most widely used by Selenium WebDriver, right? There are lots of languages which you can use by automate the things, but this for the Java is right now it's the main languages which testers I use right now, right? So I have already installed Eclipse at my system, so I just simply click on Eclipse. So here you can see that I already installed Eclipse latest version, right? So I just search this Eclipse and I will click on this. It will take us to the Eclipse